Hi guys, good morning everyone. I hope you are all fine. My name is Mohammed Sartaj from English spoken course Harvard. As you know, I have uploaded the many videos related to the English spoken course. Today I am just going to upload a video on the story. So how to prepare a story. As you know, I have uploaded the 2 and 3 videos on how to prepare a story. Today I will discuss about how to prepare a story. So how to add the sentences in a story. So we will talk about today. So what is the importance of English language? Nowadays, mostly people are learning speaking English here and there. And because English is the most important part of our life, English has become an important part of our life. So today we will discuss that what is the importance of English language. He is my student. He will describe what is the importance of English language. Before describing what is the importance of English language, I notify to everyone else, if you are new on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So गाइज, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकॉन भी दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके, ताकि आप उससे नॉलेज ले सको. एंड गाइज, अपने दोस्तों के साथ में शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि आपके दोस्त भी इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठा सकें. अब बात कर लेते हैं. इंग्लिश का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है हमारी लाइफ में, उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज तरुण. आई एम फ्रॉम अब्लगढ़ बिजनौर and I am here to describe what is the importance of English language in our life. I think in the way I see, English has become the most important part of our life, and we are not enough able to survive without English because as we know, English is an international language, and like we everyone know that if we will go outside from our home, so every after 100 kilometer the language of our country's people change. Like if we want to go Punjab and we don't know about how to speak Punjabi, and we want to ask anything to any Punjabi guy, so if we don't know about how to speak Punjabi, so we will have to speak in English in front of him, because he will not able to understand my language. As you know, I speak Hindi and he speaks Punjabi, so the common language between us is English. So if I want to ask anything to him, so I will have to speak in English, and so to make him correct that what am I trying to say. And the second thing is that if we want to get our dream job in any bigger company like Google, Microsoft, anything else, so we will have to crack an interview, and the interviewer will ask question in English to us, and we will have to reply to him in English, otherwise he will disqualify us. So English is a very important language in everyone's life. Like if we want to go abroad, so it's become a necessary thing that we will have to learn English, that how to speak English, how not to speak English. And like everyone know, every country has their own mother tongue. Like China has Chinese, and Japan has Japanese, India has Hindi, but the common language in everyone is that English. So if we want to survive any abroad country, so we will have to speak English, and we will have to know that how to speak English, and we will have to know that how to communicate in English to every people. To that we will meet in the abroad, and it will be very helpful to us, and we will be able to survive very easily in any country. And English also build your character as well. Like if you are going in a marketplace and there are one of your friend who speaks English and you don't know about how to speak English, so it will be looks like you are very uneducated person, no matter what is your qualification and what have you done in your past. But if you know about how to speak English, so you will be look like you are very educated person. No one will gonna ask you that what is your qualification at all. And the thing he will do, he will be talk to you in a very polite way, and he will respect you, and he will respect your work, he will respect your everything whatever you will do and it will look like very educated thing, and it helps you a lot to build a character as well. And at the last but not the least, I just want to pay great thanks to everyone to listen me with patience and very careful. Thank you so much.
So guys, ये था कि हमारी लाइफ में इंग्लिश का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. ये हमारी एक स्टोरी थी. जो स्टूडेंट्स आइल्स कर रहे हैं उसमें स्टोरी क्यू कार्ड की बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. सो गाइज, इस तरीके से आप अपनी क्यू कार्ड को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं.